Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to go through the daily directions for Thursday, April 2nd. Today's assignment is going to be creating your own dichotomous key for big cats. So what you're going to do is you can see here is going to be something that's going to be turned in. It's going to be turned in through Google Classroom, and you should be able to access everything from there as well. So if you click on, the class period that you are in, it should already be, the document should be set up for you. If you have issues, just kind of let me know or email me with questions, or you can also join the Zoom meeting at 2 p.m. All right, so you'll click on the, say, third hour or fourth hour or faster in. I go there and it should bring you to kind of your Google Class where in the top right here, this is the student X I have created as kind of a generic account. So you click on that, open it up, and here's the assignment. So you create your own dichotomous keys. All right, so the directions are pretty in-depth, so it should be able to kind of read through it. I'll kind of go through one example with you. All right, we can see here it's going to be, create your own dichotomous key. So you're going to be doing this, it's a tool that scientists use to identify specific organisms. And we're basically going to be creating groups of questions. So the organisms that we're going to be using is we're going to be using the big cats. So we have 6 different big cat species here. And I've given you kind of the answers to what each one is with the answer key. And so if you look up in the directions here, it says basically decide upon a way which is divided the items, or in this case, the big cats, into 2 groups. So think about characteristics that you can see or characteristics that are easily visible. All right, so one characteristic must be defined, and then the other must be the opposite, or something that's different. So one example here is that a group of big cats can be divided into those with, like, say, long tails and short tails. Right, I'm going to go slightly different. So when I'm looking at mine, and I'm going to do is I'm going to look at them and go, okay, we have our 6 big cats here. I'd say, okay, I'm looking at the color of their fur. So I'd say, does the animal have, a solid fur coat or a solid color? All right, so I come up here, so step 1, all right, you're not going to use all 10 steps. You're going to use however steps you need. But the first thing I say is, so I can spell. So you see here we have kind of 2 options. So you say, okay, the big cat has a singular color of coat, or the big cat has a pattern of fur color. So looking at this, so like here you're going to say this, we go to, so you say go to step 2. So if they have a single color of coat, then you would proceed to step 2. And now for step 2, you're going to be asking questions about cats A, B, and C, as those are the cats that have kind of that single fur color. So you create now a second set of questions to try and identify which is the correct organism. And so by the time you get done with this, you should be able to identify all 6 organisms, right? And basically by following through the pattern or these steps. If you have any questions, again, like I said, let me know. You can email me or check in at 2 p.m. for the Zoom meeting. And thanks and good luck.